going to be incredibly hot. So just, don't touch it. Or really don't do this in general, because in case you don't know, this 100% voids the warranty. Good day. So, I did something recently that I've been wanting to do pretty much my entire adult life, but was never in the right place to do, either financially or just geographically. And finally, the two have kind of aligned. And yeah, I did something kind of fun. Well, that's right. I bought a snowmobile. It's not the newest one in the world. It's almost certainly not the fastest. But everything works, and it had all the ownership paperwork. It's got electric start and reverse, and it was in my price range, which I think, makes this the best cheap snowmobile you can buy. To answer that question, I suppose, of what is the best cheap snowmobile you can buy? Well, it's the one that suits your criteria and that you can afford.
The VMAX 600 has a 598cc two-cylinder two-stroke. The deluxe model has a forward and reverse gearbox. It's pretty sweet to see, especially on a snowmobile of this age. The exhaust is in great shape. It's a 2-into-1. Maybe I can get a set of performance pipes in the future. Even the spare belt looks to be in good condition. The battery's relatively new, and as a total bonus, it even has the factory toolkit full of all the tools that came with it. Someone's taken really good care of this snowmobile over the years, and I'm pretty happy to be the one reaping the benefits of that. The hood and body are in pretty decent shape too, considering this snowmobile is like 28 years old at this point in 2022. The skis have plastics on them. The seat's a bit torn up, but that's not to be, not a surprise. All the instruments work. Electric start, it also works perfectly. The lights, it's a 2-up seat, so someone can come along, my wife or friend or whatever.
So this is my 94 VMAX. Like I said, it's not the newest, it's not the fastest, but for what I wanted, it certainly is the best one around. It was the best price I could find. Like you saw, it starts up right away, so I think that's definitely worth something there. It's got reverse, which works, which is, I guess, kind of rare for this age of snowmobile. And like I said, it had all the ownership papers, so it's currently licensed, registered, and has a trail pass on the way. But it's been raining for the past 10 days or so where I live, so there's no snow on the ground. But once that snow does happen, and I live in Canada, so it will. It's just been kind of nice out lately. This thing is ready to go on the trail, and I will bring you guys along for a ride when that day comes. I'm hoping in the next couple weeks we should have some snow. I can at least get it out in the yard. But yeah, stay tuned.